Hi guys, welcome back to Bikes Republic. On today's episode, we are here in Penang, but we are not here to do any touristy thing. We are here to check out what is rumored to be the most diverse motorcycle accessory shop in northern Malaysia. I'm talking about Seng Fat Motor, and we're going to go check out the Ducati showroom as well as the accessory showroom, which is on the first floor. I'm going to show you around, and I'm going to show you why they say this is the best stocked, or the shop that carries the most amount of accessories here in northern Malaysia. Come along. So proper SOPs are still in place, right? So we're still going to check in, check our temperature, because COVID and all.
Okay.
Thank you, Asing.
Welcome to Penang.
How are you?
Good.
So for those of you who remember, Asing here was the guy that introduced us to Harley-Davidson Penang. Back then, I told you that if anything to do with Aprilia, anything to do with Ducati, anything to do with Harley-Davidson, Moto Guzzi, whichever brand, this is the guy to talk about, this is the guy to talk to. And today we are checking out his showroom here in Ducati.
Welcome to Ducati Penang.
Thank you.
Okay.
And then we're going to check out the showroom.
Oh.
And then you're going to show me, or rather you're going to get somebody to show me your merchandising area.
Sure,
Yeah?
no problem. So now I pass to Sing
Okay.
to recommend to you. First we go for the Ducati merchandise first.
Sure.
Then after that we'll bring you up.
Awesome. I'm
And then
really
the
looking
level.
forward. People say that your showroom, that your shop carries the most amount of brands, the most diverse brands here in northern Malaysia.
Serious?
Yeah.
You explore your own. Okay? Okay, bro, let's come
Okay.
to our Ducati merchandise. I recommend to our merchandise manager here.
Hi, Sing.
Sing.
Nice to meet you.
He is in charge on all the merchandising,
Okay.
including Ducati,
Sure.
all the apparel.
Okay.
So,
Great.
Sing, please
Show me around.
everything.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So this is your Ducati merchandising area?
Yes, correct.
So
So
what's...
we're having the racing shoot for the Ducati.
this is all for sale.
Yes, correct.
Nice.
Yeah, this one is our smart jacket. For
So this is a smart jacket that...
Yeah, with the airbag.
With the airbag.
Yeah.
How does that work?
Actually, for this one, you want to try?
Yeah, why not?
So you can try to wear it.
Interesting. So, I've heard a lot about this jacket. Not only one of the most safest jacket, but also quite expensive, I heard. How much is this?
Yeah. For this price is 4,299 ringgit.
4,299.
Yes, correct.
So very nice
Yeah,
fitting.
inside here,
Yep.
you have the magnet to
Okay.
activate the smart jacket. So we
Interesting.
need to connect this one.
Okay.
Okay.
I just felt-
on.
I just felt like somebody tickling me over there. I am quite ticklish, so I'm trying not to laugh. Okay. Okay.
So inside the smart jacket, you got the 7 sensors inside here.
7 sensors.
Yes. So
Okay.
you cover with, if you fall down with high side, low side, or the car is,
Knocked into you.
yes.
Okay.
So you activate.
So how does it know? Because there's no cable or anything that goes to a bike, right?
It will come with the sensor.
Okay.
If you get the vibrations too
Right.
high,
Okay.
so you activate. So for the smart jacket, the airbag actually is over here,
Okay.
here,
Okay.
and behind.
Sorry, what is that over here?
The airbag.
Airbags.
Yes, correct.
So there's a cartridge in here, right?
Yes, correct.
Where's the cartridge? Oh, okay, the side here.
Correct.
So you don't really feel it. It's not in your way.
Yeah.
So this is considered one of the most, I guess, technologically advanced and safest riding vests for motorcyclists, for bikers, right?
And you also can wear it with your riding jacket.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So you can wear it as an inner vest.
No, actually this one is wearing outside.
Oh, okay. So it's supposed to be on the outside, right? Okay. And so this is MotoGP technology, right? Because sometimes you see MotoGP riders the way they crash and So
Yeah.
it's MotoGP derived technology.
Yes.
Can I say that? Lah?
Yes.
Right. Interesting. So if you buy a Ducati, do you get this for free? No.
Yes, with
Also-
promotion.
Oh, wow. So there's currently a promotion going on now.
Yes.
So there's not usually you get for free, but right now you get.
Yeah.
Does it work for all Ducatis?
Actually, selected model.
Selected models.
Yeah.
Interesting. I'm guessing the Multistrada, the Panigale, V4R. So do you also have the full range of Ducati helmets? Is it the full range or?
Actually, we have the open face,
Okay.
flip up, and the full face also.
Which is your most interesting, rather best-selling models?
Actually, for currently, this helmet, this RI helmet for open face helmet, this one is the first Ducati Malaysia bring in the open face helmet.
Yeah, I've never seen it.
Yes, this is the first one.
First Ducati open face helmet.
Yes, correct.
Interesting. How much is that?
For this one is 2799. Yes.
So, but Ducati doesn't make their own helmets.
No.
So, what brand is this actually?
This one actually is RI.
RI.
Yes. Yeah, you can see it.
Oh,
It's RI.
wow.
Yes, they cooperate with the RI.
It's actually an RI. So, having said that, it's actually quite light. Wow. Okay. So, everything else in here, I guess you can get everything Ducati in here, lah.
Yes, and also racing boot.
So, these are racing boots.
Yes.
Oh, you also have road boots.
Yeah, for casual wear.
Yeah. Interesting. And then the full range of motorcycle accessories.
Yes, over there.
Okay. But I always see you guys delivering a lot of bikes. Almost every other day, I see Asing posting something. Congratulations, who and who. Recently, you guys delivered the new Monster as well.
Yes, for last few days.
Check this out. This is the new Monster. We haven't ridden this. Apparently, we're going to be riding it soon. I love the headlight. We did a startup video for the Ducati Monster. I'll add a link to that video somewhere on the screen here as usual. So check out that video if you want to hear how the Monster sounds like. So anything else you want to show us around? So you get Termigs, you get
Accra.
Wow, this is a full titanium exhaust.
Yes, for V4.
Do I want to know how much it costs?
But this one actually the price is 30,000.
30 grand.
Yes.
That's half a Monster. Interesting. 30,000, but why is it so expensive? Oh, it's a full set.
Yeah, it's a full set.
Right.
Then we come with the racing mapping.
Oh, okay. So you remap the ECU as well.
Yes.
How many horsepower? Any idea? Don't know.
Forget already.
Yeah, no worries. And that's for the multi.
Yes. For Multistrada 1264.
And how much does that cost?
This one is around 50,000.
15.
Yes.
1.5 or 5.0?
1.5.
1.5.
Yes.
Phew. Okay. Crazy. And what is this? This alone costs 3,000.
This one actually is the Multistrada 1260, the real mudguard. Yeah. And this
3,000 ringgit for a mudguard.
Yeah, this
I
one
guess this is a top box.
And actually, this one is the,
The top box
tail
mount.
tiling.
Sorry?
The tail.
Oh, the tail tidy kit.
Yeah.
Right. I thought it was a top box mount. Interesting. Okay. And this is the hypermotard seat now, of course.
Yes, correct. This one is hypermotard.
Standard seat.
Actually, this one is racing seat.
Racing seat.
Yes.
So it's supposed to be thinner.
Yes. And then more grip.
How much? Don't know. It's very expensive, I'm sure. Never mind. I'm still coming to terms with the 30,000 ringgit exhaust over there.
Yeah.
Interesting. Of course, anything to Ducati is always interesting. There's no doubt about it. But I also want to see your merchandising showroom.
Sure.
Let's go upstairs. This is where things get really interesting. Let's go, bro.